Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about the standard accessories that comes along with Usha Janome Anniversary Edition model 1522 PG, where PG stands for pink gold. The accessory set includes 5 bobbins, a seam ripper, size 14 needles, zipper foot, satin stitch foot, button sewing foot, blind hem foot, automatic buttonhole foot, a small card with how to the parts with the needle side and bobbin. On the back side we have the designs and what type of foot to be used, some buttons, instruction book and a semi hard cover. Thank you for watching.